Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching CID News Network, Islamabad. This is Salwa Shams with today's headlines. Pakistan Muslim League Noon. President Shehbaz Sharif on Wednesday lashed out at the PTI government and state institutions for leveling vicious allegations of corruption against him and his family in the wake of a British court's recent ruling. Prime Minister Imran Khan Wednesday said Pakistan cannot prosper and grow without equitable development as he launched the rehabilitation and upgradation of Balochistan's Jalgaon-Bela Road. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi, during a meeting with the British counterpart, raised the unilateral decisions of the English Cricket Board to cancel the Pakistan tour at the last minute. Security forces conducted intelligence-based operation in South Waziristan district on the reported presence of a terrorist concentration. The newly formed Taliban government has called upon all countries, especially the United States, to act in accordance with international commitments and not to encroach on Afghanistan's airspace. Police have arrested 2 suspects involved in the killing of a young female doctor who shot dead by robbers in Lahore Defence Housing Authority. 3 men who robbed Prime Minister Imran Khan's sister house are sentenced to 7 years in custody. That's all from today's headlines. Keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Thank you.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.